And I'll take your soul. Yo, what's up, YouTube? We done already done been out here done chased by like 4-5 groups, but I'm just not doing the intro. So you know what I'm saying? It's your boy TonQua. Go ahead, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You don't want to do all that. At least give me a like. At least give me a like. You only got to comment. You know what I'm saying? You give me, if you want to like, I appreciate that, cause niggas don't be liking the videos. But do that for me. I'm getting the best footage out here. This probably gonna be one video by itself because it got so much in it, and then the rest are gonna be different videos, different nights. But for right now, this all gonna be in one video. I'm trying not to make it too long. But hey, let's get into it. Whew. She got me tired. I hope the next one's run. Let's fuck it. But they screaming, so it sounds like they gonna be scared for real, for sure. Yeah, it sounds like a big group. There's gonna have to be like at least 2-3 runners in that hole. See them boys over there.
Where? I think this way, yeah. Alright, yeah. Alright,
I had no idea there was another group coming.
Look. Oh shit.
Sparking?
Nah, my fucking string got ate. We getting them, bro. I'm on their ass all night, nigga. I'm telling you. I'm on their ass all night. Everybody. I think it's a good view. Hopefully the bitch that shit was falling off the head strap. I want to put that bitch out. But we got shit. We got another group coming in. We finna get their ass right. As long as they run from the chainsaws, that's all we need. That's all I need. That's what we need for the video for good content. Somebody had busted their ass, but I was recording. I had the chainsaw. Somebody had on my mask and stuff. So hopefully I can get somebody to fall on camera and like stand over them and stuff and mess with them. And they over there trying to fix Joseph's saw because it's not cranking up and shit. They've been working on it. They've been working on it. Michelle rushing them too. Cause we got cars out here, but they ain't stepping up. But they over there working on it. Got Benny helping out, trying to get that junk right. But I mean, we got more time in the season, so we should be alright. Hey y'all, it's about that time. They said we got about like 20 people out there. Like it's a big fat group. I'm trying to get y'all a little clip if I can see it. Like right there. You can't really see how many people it is, but it's a lot of motherfuckers out there. People right there too. But yeah, we gonna get some good. I'm having on GoPro for this whole group. I might switch off and go to the mask, but for the most part we having GoPro. We running GoPro for sure. Y'all, he just gave me the key to the goddamn light. Woo! I'm finna fuck asses up on God, nigga. Finna come through, they be swinging that bitch. They're going crazy. He didn't give me the key to the goddamn light. So I got all the light I need. Finna get right on their ass. Big ass group, no mask. Content. We finna get it, yo. Another thing, bro, we can't chase them out. She told us don't chase them out because there's so many people that, like, one, we're gonna be tired of. Two, it's gonna be hard to chase them out and then double back and get everybody else. So we're gonna chill on that. And the other dude chainsaw sounds like it's not doing too good. But I'm gonna get them right though when they come through. That girl don't feel me now. Turn on that light. Ooh, it be bright as hell. I think I might stand in front of the light and then just run out of there. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Boy, this sounds scary as boy. And they ain't had no taste of chainsaw. I could do chainsaw, ain't chainsawing. I'm finna get on their ass. When I see them, they not gonna see me. They might. But boy, I finna get on their ass. And we on their ass. I'm sure y'all like. Oh no, they too close. But we finna get on their ass. Oh yeah, I see somebody here. They just went by the scarecrow. Yeah, dude still trying with the chainsaw. Hopefully that bit come up. They go Tashawn over there, you can't see him. They sound scared as fuck. I'm on their ass so bad. I see their shoes. The shoes through the window. He's still trying. Wait till they see one that work. They ain't gonna know how to f that. They feet getting closed. I'm on their ass, no mask. When they see that light, they ain't gonna know what the f going on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Turn on light. Oh yeah. I can chase him?
Yeah, get him.
Let's see.
Nah, you good now, man. You done ran him. We're good.
Hope y'all seen all that. God damn.
Can I get a picture?
Yeah.
What's the everybody?
What are we looking at? I don't know. Austin, come on, hurry.
Jason screams like a girl.
All right. On three. One, two, three.
That was great. I'm not believing all y'all.
That boy is gone. Oh my goodness, he is not playing. He is not playing with me, y'all. He gone. Right on him. Since they cause a lot. we just had a big group. Y'all seen the footage I just got. I chased everybody. There's that one dude. That man was gone. He was not playing no games. You wanna say something?
Man, they wore us out, man. I'm telling you.
Real chasing everywhere. So many people go everywhere. They want me to stop. I was just gonna stop. Like, I don't got no chill. Like, I'm gonna keep on going until I just can't. But they told me, Benny told me to chill, so I was like, I'm gonna chill. I went ahead and chilled out. But hopefully, it was good enough lighting to get all that shit. But yeah, went out, bro. Started chasing him again. Fuck it, I wasn't recording, but man, I went too hard. Look, fucked up the watch. This is my second time wearing it. I wore it at a wedding, and I wore it today. That shit fucked up. But no, we go hard, cause I don't stop. I keep on going. I don't care. I'm chasing you all the way back to your house. But yeah, we got somebody else pulled up. We finna get to it. Block with the K. Hey, yo, what's up? Damn, I ain't do the outro out there, cause they turned the lights, and I ain't feel like sitting out there. But we done with this night. Damn, Friday the 13th. You know, I had on the Jason man. Had to run it one more time for that. I think I'm gonna switch it up after probably next time I go out there. But goddamn, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You don't wanna do all that, at least like the video. I appreciate the views. Make sure y'all share it if y'all mess with the content. But I'm sure y'all the fit though, cause I ain't show y'all the fit this whole time. And my shirt dang on. That junk was like, it was a little bit on, but then that junk started breaking even more when I was running after them people. I was running it like this. And then sometimes like, and I had on the gloves. But then when I was recording, I was like bare face, just running after people with the chainsaw. But yeah, that was the fit. I hope y'all liked the video. This, I guess, kind of new, but I kind of do everything. I do whatever I want to do. I just post it. But yeah, peace out.